So today I will show you guys how I do my eyebrows and my eyeliner. I know I already did a eyebrow video, but I just wanted to redo it. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Let's get started. So first, what you will need is a, careful. I have Aaron and Javi here. They decided to join me today, so we'll make the best of it. We'll make it work. Mama luchona. Okay, so I was saying, we will need una toallita, literally, wipes, una toallita. You will need your favorite tools to do your eyebrows. So mine, like always, is the pomade, Dip Brow, and the Brow Go by Doña Cruz. And this is just like powders. And we will need, well, you will need a brush, and one like this. This is from Tarte. I got this from Tarte, that's for sure. I got this from Wet n Wild. Super affordable, nearly like $3. And this one's from Walmart. I know they're a little bit dirty or whatever. So today I will show you guys how I do my eyebrows and my eyeliner. So let's get started. So first I like to wet my brush, my eyebrow brush. I like outlining my eyebrows first. So my bottom, my top. So we're just gonna dip it in there just a little bit. Like I said, we're gonna outline the eyebrow. So I outline my bottom just like that. And then I like outlining the top. So I just keep dipping it and grabbing some. And then so we're pretty much just shaping the eyebrow. If you like it thick, if you like it thin, it's preference. It's whatever you guys, however you guys feel more beautiful. And now with my other with my other eyebrow brush, I'm gonna go ahead and that's pretty much it. What I do with the pomade, Dip Brow. Now I'm using my other. So as you guys can see, there's light, medium, dark. I like using the light, so lightest to darkest. So literally like light on my front, and then as I move towards the back of my eyebrow, I go darker. And then with the darkest one, I finish the eyebrow. But that's it. That's all I do with my eyebrows. You know, I don't have time for anything, huh? Damn. Anyways, yeah, I guess I just don't have time for that either. Cause hashtag mom life again. Wow, if I would just get paid for saying hashtag mom life, I'd be rich already. But aquí andamos, you know, de pobretona. But that's it. That's all I do with my eyebrows. I don't even like comb it or whatever, how other people do it. And I don't have the perfect eyebrows either, you know. This is just what I like, what I find easy for myself. We all have different eyebrows. Now I am gonna do my other eyebrow so I can do my eyeliner. Oh, mira. It's not even a mirror. I'm all over the place with having in here. I forgot I have to outline it first. So again, I like cleaning it. Same steps. We're gonna outline it. And we're gonna outline the top. And then I go in again with filling it in with my polvito. So lighter to darker. So just filling it in to darker. And that's it. Why am I so cachetona? Like, you guys already know. I found this eyeliner. This is all I've been using. It's the e.l.f. It's all I've been using. So my favorite one, e.l.f. And it's brand new. So a little hack I like to do is, this is how it comes. So what I do so I can work with it better is me gusta cortarle like angledy, just to make it sharp. So just like this, just a little bit, just to make it more pointier and shorter. And once again, like I was saying, there's a bunch of ways of how to do your eyeliner differently, or other girls do it different with the tape and whatever. I don't, I just really freehand it. So I like starting from my inner eye and work my way out. I like my eyeliner thick, you know, like myself. Just kidding. And just like that, just like slide it in. And then fill it in. And it's really como a ustedes les guste, like, and now that I'm like doing my eyeliner, my mom did give me a call and she was like, Mija, you should talk in Spanish in your videos para que tus tías entiendan what you're saying. So we'll try our best. Tías, here we are haciendo un lineador. And that's it. That's how I do my eyeliner. Ahora with the pencil, with the regular pencil eyeliner, I like going underneath my eyelid just so it's darker. And you guys, I really hope my cheap techniques and easy techniques help you guys, because it works for me. I know it's not gonna work for everybody, and I totally understand, but I hope I can teach you guys something, or at least help you guys. So that's that. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to my new followers, for the new support, for everything in general. As I was reading my comments from my last video, it just motivated me so much. You guys have no idea. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. I was not expecting none of that. But thank you. And yeah, I hope I teach you guys something new and affordable. I'm still shook. It still feels like a dream. I won't let you guys down. This is just the beginning to hopefully something big. So yeah, this is it. You just doing your final touches. I doing my lashes, and it makes a huge difference. And another thing, one always makes me look tuerta. I don't know why. You know, an eye always looks better than the other eye. But let's today again. This one makes me look through it. This one once again makes me. But this is it. This is how I do my eyebrows and my eyeliner. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social media, on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, my MySpace. No, I'm just kidding. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. It's not even a mirror. What? What do you have to say? What? What?